G'day viewers, just a quick update on the GT engine, what I've got up to so far. I've done the couple of dummy assemblies so far, just checking clearances and what have you. I didn't bother filming that, it's pretty boring. So I'll show you where I'm up to now and show you the latest boo-boo I made. Okay, so we're in the final assembly stage on the rotating assembly. Turns lovely. We've got the put a lip seal in the back of it instead of the old rope seal. Not a huge fan of them. I hate oil leaks and they do tend to weep over time, so I thought I'd put one of them in. Now my mistake was, well, I bought the Rollmaster timing kit, which has Torrington bearings in the kit, either side of the top sprocket. And where I made me boo-boo, when I was putting it on, it sits, where is it? It sits on this little step, which is all well and good, but I wasn't paying attention. When I put it on, it dropped down off that little step that it's supposed to sit on there and onto there. And as I tightened it up, destroyed the bearing. So anybody else using one of these, they look like they should work well, but yeah, just be super careful when you're doing it up that it doesn't drop off that little lip that it's supposed to sit on, because it doesn't do the bearing much good. So I've got a new one coming next week. As you can see, there's a small little lip that it's supposed to sit on, and all it did as I was putting it on, it fell down onto there, and as I tightened it up, it crushed the bearing and ruined it. So anyway, that's me boo-boo for this week, and I'll see what else I can get wrong. Anyway, it's all there, so hopefully that'll go back together next week, and we can put the timing cover on and finish the bottom end, and that'll be that bit buttoned up. Okay, alright, let's see what's the saying. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff, and we'll see where we go from here.